Hello there, I'm recording this video today to show you how to correct your writing using an AI platform, artificial intelligence platform. Okay, now this is the situation. I have completed activity 1 of the present tenses program 2. Okay, the first activity involves answering comprehension check questions on 2 dialogues, one at a check-in desk and the second one at immigration at an airport. The next activity involves listening to questions at the same locations and writing your answers to each question after you've heard it. When you get to the end of these 20 questions, the computer will save your answers in computer memory, and you have the opportunity to send your answers with the questions to an artificial intelligence platform. Okay, so I'll demonstrate with you now how to do this. Okay, now I'm already at this stage of the program, activity 2. Okay, this is the second present tenses program. First of all, the first option is to copy the dialogue to clipboard. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to copy both the questions and the answers to my computer's memory. There's a message saying it is now copied, and to go to the AI platform page. Okay, I will click on OK and open now the AI correction page. Let's click on this button. And this brings us to a list of 4 artificial intelligence platforms. You can choose whichever one you like of these 4. It's a matter of personal choice. If you already have an account with one of these 4 platforms, use that one. If not, you may have to register with the platform before you can use it. To do that, you will just need an email address, which they will send a confirmation message to for you to confirm that the email address is functioning, or you can use your Google account to sign in as well. Today I'm going to use Gemini, which is a Google AI platform. I'm going to click on this button here. Now, here we go, chat with Gemini it says. Okay, I'm going to click on chat with Gemini. And we have the terms of privacy. Your privacy and enterprise conversation data is secure. Okay, it's asked me if your Gemini activities currently can't be turned on. I'm going to use Gemini. Okay, so I'm just going to click on use Gemini here and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to there's a welcome button, and I'm going to click on got it. And it says enter a prompt for Gemini. Hi Viv, I'm ready to help you plan, study, etc, etc, etc. Now remember, the computer has already copied the text. Okay, the program itself has copied the questions and answers, so all you have to do is paste them here. If I click my right click button, I can click on the paste button. If you're using a keyboard, you can just press the control button and V, and it will automatically copy what is in the clipboard, which is your computer's memory. So here are the questions, and here is the introduction which my program has already planned for you. I've prepared 2 dialogues. Can you check my answers? Okay, so these are the instructions which are already there. Here are the questions. Did you pack the suitcase yourself? The answer, no, a friend packed if for me. Okay, so there's a spelling mistake here, and there is a problem with the fact that this is inappropriate. Now let's see whether Gemini can pick this up as being inappropriate, or whether it will accept it as correct. It is, let's see, let me press this button here, which will send it to the AI platform for checking. Here we go. Hello Viv, it's great that you're practicing these scenarios. Traveling can be stressful, and knowing how to navigate these conversations is key. I have reviewed your answers. I've highlighted the errors in bold and provided corrections, including some travel tips. Because while some of your answers are grammatically okay, they might actually get you in a bit of trouble with airport security or immigration. example number 1, airport check-in. Good morning, may I see your passport and ticket please? Answer, no you can't. Status, incorrect or inappropriate. The correct form is yes, of course, here you go. Note, refusing to show your passport will result in you not being allowed to fly. So well done, Gemini. I believe ChatGPT functions in the same way. 2 other platforms that are listed here, Meta AI and Claude, did not pick up inappropriate language. They only checked for whether there were grammatical or spelling mistakes in the answer. So well done, Gemini. I would recommend that you choose either ChatGPT or Gemini for this activity. But the others are okay if providing your English is, the other 2 platforms, Claude and Meta AI, will find spelling mistakes, grammatical errors, and punctuation errors as well. Okay, so we've got, you can see it's picked up this as well. Did you pack your suitcase yourself? Answer, no, a friend packed. If, for me it is highlighted if as being the mistake as incorrect, and also it's got, if you say someone else, a travel tip. If you say someone else packed your bag, security will have to search it for safety reasons. Okay, so you can see that this is quite a comprehensive analysis of what we've written. It has found both the errors of appropriacy and is giving the fact that whether it has checked the grammar and spelling. Okay, so here I'm going to go down to the bottom of this, and it gives a summary. You have a good grasp of basic sentence structure, but watch out for those contractions, I am versus I'm, and spelling. Also remember that in airport it's usually best to be very cooperative and polite. It gives the option of rewriting these answers into a perfect version if you would like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to ask it to rewrite it for me, because I'm going to rewrite it myself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this response, okay? Then I'm going to open a different program on my computer. I'm using my PC, so I'm going to open Windows Notepad, which is here. And now I'm going to paste, Control V. I'm going to paste the responses from Google Gemini to these answers, so we can see that you have the question, do you have a valid destination? Do you have a valid visa for your destination? No, I don't. And the status is correct grammar. Note, most airlines won't let you board without your destination, without a visa. So I think we'll just come back to our Gemini again and ask it for the corrections. Okay, so would you like me to rewrite these answers into a perfect version? I'm just going to put yes please here. Yes please, and then it should give us the correct answers. We've got corrections for most of these cases. You've got the correction, thank you very much, status correct, travel tip correct, grammar. Let's see the correct answers here. Okay, so here we have the questions and model answers. Okay, so we'll go down to the bottom, and this will copy, and I'm going to come back to this first version, and I'm going to eliminate this first version, and let's start a new window. Do you want to save it? No. I'm going to start a new version, and I'm going to copy this version. There you go. So now we've got the correct answers. So now I'm going to come back to our program again. So just a moment. Here we are back at the same page we were before. Now on your device the program has been opened. We just opened a new window with Gemini. Your program is still open. You can, if you want to, just close Gemini if you like, and you will come back to this page. If you just close the Gemini window, you will come back to this page. Okay, so now I've copied it to clipboard. I've gone to the AI correction page, and now I'm going to go to the next activity. Now the next activity is to correct my mistakes. We have at check-in desk, these are the questions and my responses. Good morning, may I see your passport and ticket please? My answer was no, you can't. Now we can see that this is incorrect, so I'm going to click on the change button. I'm going to delete this no, you can't. I'm going to come back to the valid answers that Gemini has prepared for me, and I'm going to copy these. I'm going to go to Control, copy, then come back again to my program and Control V to paste these. If I were you, I would write these. You are more likely to remember the correct form if you write it physically. If you just copy and paste, it will not get registered in your head as efficiently. But this is now correct, so I'm going to click on OK. And we've got the next question. Is this your first time flying with our airline? I've put yes, it isn't. We now know that this is incorrect. We can change this to yes, it is. Okay, and then OK. So go through all of the rest of these. No friend impacted me. I'm just going to click on OK for all of these, and then you could. I'm just going to click on OK, even though these answers were all incorrect, just so that you can see what happens. I'm on 18 of 20, and now I'm going to go to 20 of 20. Now let's imagine that I have corrected all of my answers, so I know what the correct form is to use. And now comes the key. I'm going to click on Next Activity. The instructions are here. It says I'm going to, if you can actually read and hear the instructions.
You're now going to hear two similar dialogues at a check-in desk and immigration control. Use your mobile phone to record the questions and answers. You can use WhatsApp, Telegram, or Samsung voice recorder to do this. This time you don't need to write anything, just speak. When you are ready to record the dialogues, press the ready button.
Okay, and the ready button has appeared now. Now I'm using my computer. As it says here, you've got Windows voice recorder. So I'm going to go down to the bottom of my screen and click on a little button for the search. And I'm going to write down here, Windows voice recorder. And you can see it's come up here already. Windows voice recorder. I'll write everything. And you've got a Windows voice recorder. I'm going to click on this button here. And Windows sound recorder, Windows voice recorder. Now it's asking me to install it on Windows. Now my version of Windows is Windows 10. It should be here. Let me try again. The voice recorder. Now here it is. I didn't need to put Windows voice recorder. All I needed to do was put voice recorder. Sorry about that. So I'm going to click on voice recorder. I'm going to close this horrible window that's just opened up here, trying to tell me to buy something. And here is the voice recorder screen. Okay, I'm going to move it to one side. And I'm now ready to record by pressing this button here. Okay, at Control R will also do the same thing. Okay, so I'm ready. And I won't record the entire thing, but I'll give you an idea of how it functions. I'm going to press record. And ready.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here you are.
Do you have a valid visa for your destination?
Yes, I do. Yes, I have. Yes, I do. It's in my. It's on my phone. Would you like to see
it? Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
I'd like a window seat, please, with a nice view of the airport when I arrive.
Has anyone asked you to carry any items for them?
No. I've packed. I packed my suit. No one has asked me anything like that.
Do you have any liquids, sharp objects, or electronics in your hand luggage?
No, I haven't. No, there's nothing dangerous at all. Okay, now, if you didn't catch the question, you can click on the Can You Repeat button.
Is this your first time flying with our airline? Is this your first time flying with our airline?
And if you still don't understand, if you click another time,
Is this your first time flying with our airline?
then it becomes to sorry, I don't understand, and you will see the question here. But I'm losing points here. I've lost points through asking for this
Are you
help.
checking in any luggage today?
Okay, so I'm now going to stop this exercise running, and I'm going to save my
Did you pack
voice
your suitcase
recording.
yourself?
And let me leave this program here. And Google Gemini is still open. I'm going to close Google Gemini. So now we have a recording here, which should play when I click on the recording button. Let's see what happens. Now you may not be able to hear this due to one of the problems that that Google Meet has. It will, to hear audio recordings playing clearly, then they have to be actually within a shared window on the Meet screen. So, but I can hear this. It's not very clear. I would probably be able to hear it more clearly with if I had recorded it on my mobile phone, which is what I recommend that you do. Okay, so but we have the recording here, and that's it. Okay, practice as much as you can. You can see that these AI tools are quite useful. It's worthwhile using them to work on improving your writing. Through improving your writing, you will also improve your speaking automatically, and all of the other skills, your listening and reading as well. Okay, good luck, and I will see you hopefully in a future video tutorial. Okay, bye for now.